everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? You're welcome back to today's video, and if you're new, you are highly welcome. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very simple and amazing ingredient that would help you to wash down your fat, and it will also help you to stay fit, stay healthy. Okay, so it's not just removing belly fat, but it's also helping you to stay healthy and stay fit. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. All right, so let me take you right in. I'm going to be using some few ingredients here to get rid of belly fat. Those ingredients are something that you might already know. Okay, now this is coconut. I've actually already break this coconut, and this is what we're going to be using: coconut water. So this is the coconut water. If you take this daily for 2 months, you're going to see how your body is going to be like. Honestly, take this daily. If you can actually put it into this other juice that I'm going to be showing you. You know, you put it inside and drink it, and man, your skin is going to tell, your belly fat is going to be reduced, your general body fat is going to be shrinking, and you're good to go. So this is coconut water. Let me drink it. It's very healthy. Okay. So I have a few left, and I'm going to be putting it into the juice that I'm going to be showing you now. You can just drink just this, only this, for at least 1 month if you can, which I know you can if you want to do it. Just coconut water, only coconut water. You're not allowed to take any soda, no sugar, nothing too sweet, just coconut water. Coconut water is very healthy and it's equally sweet, but it comes with natural sweetener, yeah, like natural sugar in it, okay, because it is sweet. Okay, so let me show you other ingredients that you are going to be needing. Yeah, let me drink this more. So you're gonna be needing this, and this is pear. Okay, so this is how you're gonna be doing it. We're gonna be needing other ingredients, so stay put so that you see all of the ingredients that we are gonna be using for this. This is yummy. Okay, now we would have to blend it. But before we blend it, we'll have to put in just a little water. That way it will enable the blending go fast. Okay, so this is it, and we're gonna be turning the pear into a cup. So we're gonna be needing some lemon. Yeah, now because lemon is citric in nature, it will help so much in removing your belly fat. Okay, so I have some half cut of lemon. I'm actually going to be squeezing that. Into the pear. Give it a stir. This is very healthy, like really healthy. Okay, so I'm equally going to be needing some cucumber. Alright, so cucumber would help to boost your body metabolism, and it will help your body function really well. So I have a half cut of cucumber here. I'm actually going to be cutting just a little because I'm not going to be making it too much, but if you can actually make it plenty. So I'm going to be cutting it. And then I'm going to be blending it. Okay, so after creating this, then I would love to sieve it out. Okay, because if I don't sieve it out, the chaff is going to be too much. So I didn't put any water, so I'm going to be pressing it out. Alright, so after doing that, I'll have to turn that into a cup and keep that aside. And then we're going to be needing just a little cut of ginger for this. Okay, I'm actually going to be taking just this, so we don't need too much of the ginger. Just a little cut will go a long way. Okay guys, so after that you will have to be so I'm actually cutting the one I can actually take at a go, and then put in just a little bit of water. Okay, after blending this, then we'll we're gonna sieve it out. I'm gonna be turning it into the cucumber juice. Give it a little stir. Now we're gonna be turning in the pear and the lemon. Give it a little more stir. Now to make this really delicious and taste really great, we're gonna be putting in honey. Okay, so you have to use an organic honey for this drink so that it could be very effective. So I'm gonna be taking in half tablespoon of honey, then I'm gonna be putting it into the drink, then we're gonna stir it, okay, so that the honey can be dissolved into it. Okay, so now we'll have to put our number one ingredient, which is the coconut water, into this, and this is going to be a yummy belly fat drink, really yummy. Okay, so you take this, you can even take this morning, afternoon and evening. All of the ingredients in here are very friendly and they are very healthy. Like I'm literally also taking this particular one like right now. Okay, and let me have a take. It's so super duper yummy, and it is great for the body. It's nice for the skin, and it will do the job. Okay, so go try this out. Reduce some of those fatty food, alcohol and soda, and you're good to go. Basically, at least 2 weeks you're going to see a whole lot of improvement. Okay guys, so that's it. That's an amazing ingredient. The ingredients are very simple and they are actually very healthy, and also it does a whole lot of goodness in your body. It also helps to clean your colon and of course removing some fat. All right, so you have to be consistent. All right, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and I will see you again in my next video. And bye guys.